Imagine being able to transform any surface, your walls, your tables, just about anything, into a whiteboard. Meet Remarkable, the paint you can use to create your very own dry erase surfaces. Ideas flow when you doodle them on a whiteboard. The thing is, you run out of board before you run out of ideas. And whiteboards are expensive. That's where Remarkable comes in. Remarkable transforms your whole wall or table or cabinet or car into a whiteboard. Well, maybe not your car. And your whiteboard wall doesn't have to be white. The Remarkable clear coating goes right over a colored wall. Unlike the alternatives, Remarkable is super easy. If you can use a roller, you can use Remarkable. It's professional grade, so when you erase something on Remarkable, it erases cleanly with ease. And Remarkable saves money. It's 80% more cost-effective than traditional whiteboards. Our customers turn whole rooms into whiteboards. So if you want to be super cool like Google, Starbucks, or Sony, or super smart like Harvard and Yale, order up some Remarkable and start doodling.
Audio Jungle.